Hey y'all, and welcome back to Caitlyn's Corner. So this week we are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, and so we're celebrating the Spanish language and culture. So today we are reading Perros, Perros, Dogs, Dogs. So if you're ready, this is a story in English and Spanish. So we're going to learn a lot of Spanish this week. Perros, Perros, Dogs, Dogs. Perros, Perros. That must mean dogs. Muchos perros. Lots of dogs. Lots of dogs. Do you see them outside? Perro grande, perro chico. Big dog, little dog. Big dog, little dog. Grande, chico. ¿A dónde van? Where are they going? Where are they going? Where are the dogs going? Arriba, abajo, up, down, por el pueblo, through the town. Espera, wait. Espera, más perros, more dogs. Perro ancho, perro estrecho. Wide dog, ancho. Perro estrecho, like stretchy. Long, a long dog. Do you see the long dog? ¿A dónde van? Where are they going? Where are those dogs going? Arriba, abajo, up, down, por el pueblo, through the town. Espera, wait. Más y más perros, more and more dogs. Perro rápido, perro lento, fast dog, slow dog. Perro limpio, perro sucio, clean dog, dirty dog. ¿A dónde van? Where are they going? You got clean dog. Where's the clean dog? That's not the clean dog. There's a clean dog. There's a dirty dog. Arriba, abajo, up, down, por el pueblo, through the town. Espera, wait. Más y más perros. More and more and more dogs. Perro mojado, perro seco, wet dog, dry dog. So they're at the dog groomers, looks like. Perro negro, perro blanco, black dog, and a white dog. So there's a black one, there's a white one. Perro liso, perro rizado, smooth dog, curly dog. See the smooth dog? And there's the curly dog. Arriba, abajo, up, down, por el pueblo, through the town. Up and down and through the town. Ladrando, barking. Ladrando, barking. Those dogs are barking at what? Brincando, jumping. Jumping into the water. Splash, splash, viva, hooray. Viva, hooray. So they're having a good time in the water. So I hope you enjoyed Perros, Perros, dogs, dogs. So what does Perros mean? Perros would mean dogs. So thank you for tuning in, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another book. Bye.